Okay, Finley, put it in the bucket. Okay, hold it. Hold it. Put it in the bucket. Put it in the bucket. Good boy. Good boy, Finley. Good boy. Good boy, Finn. Okay, hold it. Hold it. Okay, put it in the bucket. Put it in the bucket, Finn. Finley. No. Put it in the bucket. Put it in. No, not quite. Put it in the bucket.
And now we have a chance.
Put it in the bucket. Put it in the bucket. Try again. You can do it. You can do it, Goober. Put it in the bucket. Pick it up. Pick it up. Put it in the bucket. In the bucket. In the bucket. Pick it up. Okay, put it in. Put it in. Good boy. Yes, good boy. That's my good boy. That's my good boy. That's very good. Okay, hold it. Hold it. Okay, put it in the bucket. Good boy. That's good, Finley. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Excellent. Oh, I just lost the kibble. Okay, Finley, pick it up. Get it. Hold it. Okay, Finley, put it in the bucket. Good boy. You know this. Good boy. Excellent. Excellent. That's my good, smart boy. Okay, hold it. Put it in the bucket. Try again. Try again. Put it in the bucket. Put it in the bucket. You can do it. Put it in the bucket. Put it in. Try again. You missed it. Put it in. Put it in the bucket. Almost. Almost. Pick it up. Hold it, Finley. Hold it. Okay, put it in the bucket. Good boy. Good boy. That's my good boy. Let's do it one more time. Do it again. Okay, hold it. No, it's not in the bucket yet. Hold it. Okay, put it in the bucket. Pick it up. Hold it. Put it in the bucket. Yes, good boy. That's my good, smart boy. Okay, I lied. Let's do it again. Okay, ready? Okay. All right, Finley, put it in the bucket. Put it in the bucket. Yes, that's it. You're so smart. He's so smart. You're so smart. Who's a good boy? Want to do it one more time? It's a little bit of kibble. Okay, pick it up. Pick it up. Right here. Okay, put it in your bucket. Good boy. Good boy, Finn. Very good. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of my boy. Pick it up. Pick it up. Put it in the bucket. Yes, good boy. Ah, now you know how to clean up. Yes. You're so good. Oh, I pity anybody who has to listen to me yell like this on YouTube. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm loud. Okay, Finley, pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Put it in the bucket. Good boy. So smart. Okay, Finley, here. Pick it up. Pick it up. Okay, put it in the bucket. Yes, I clicked a little early, but that was good. You're a good boy. Can you pick it up out of the bucket? Pick it up. Pick it up out of the bucket. You can do. Okay, fine. I'll dump it out. Okay, Finley. All right, let's clean up. I'm gonna start saying a new word. Clean up. Pick it up. Finley, pick it up. Okay, put it in the bucket. Put it in. Good boy. You're so smart. You're cleaning up. You're cleaning up your toys. Okay, twice more. We got 2 more pieces of kibble. Okay, pick it up. Oh, it squeaks. Pick it up. Put it in the bucket. Good boy. Good boy. Once more. Last time. All right, pick it up. Go pick it up. All right, put it in the bucket. Oh, almost. Try again. Put it in the bucket. Clean up. Good boy. So good. Are you a good boy, Fanny? You're so good. Yes.